Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying your online classes. My name is Manish Kumar Visukarma and my today's topic is light and vision. Problems of vision. A problem in the eye can cause a defect in vision or even blindness. Common defects of vision include myopia and hypermetropia. A person with myopia or nearsightedness is unable to see distant objects clearly but has no difficulty in seeing nearby object. Myopia is caused by the elongation of the eyeball. A person with hypermetropia or farsightedness is unable to see close object nearly but has no difficulty in seeing distant object. The usually cause of hypermetropia is the shortening of the eyeball. In this defect, because of the changed size of the eyeball, the image is formed neither front of the retina or behind it. This can be corrected by using lenses of glasses or contact lenses. The lenses bend light in such way that the image is formed on the retina. Loss of vision and blindness. Some vision of the eye had a partial or total loss of vision. The loss of vision in some people is so short that cannot do many everyday tasks without help. Such loss of vision called blindness. Some people are born blind and some become blind because of a disease. Our next topic is contract. Contracts is a common cause of reduced vision. In this condition, the lens of the eye gradually turns cloudy. Usually the age, as a result, the vision turns hazy. Contract is easily corrected by replacing the lens of the eye by surgery. However, if contract remains untreated, the lens can become totally opaque, making the person blind. As a matter of fact, contract is the leading cause of blindness because contract surgery is out of reach of the people living in the poor undeveloped region of the world. Another common cause of blindness is the lack of proper nutrition, nutritional blindness. A common among the poor, especially among their children, as you might have a vitamin A is essential for good vision. When the diet lack of this vitamin, a series of eye problems occur, which eventually lead to blindness. In the beginning, the patient is unable to see properly at night or in dim light. This condition is called blindness, night blindness. This is followed extreme dryness of the eye, the softening and clouding of the cornea and other problems. These conditions finally lead to blindness. Our next topic is the worlds of the blind. Close your eye and try to do something you do every day, like putting toothpaste on a toothbrush. You will soon realize how difficult it is to do things if you cannot see what you are doing. People who cannot see face such difficulties every day. They depend on their other senses, touch, smell, sounds and taste to learn about the world, and with the practice they learn to use the sense better than the people with sight. One of the things blind cannot do read ordinary book, so they learn to read books printed by Barley. Barley is a system of representing character by rice dot read by touching them with finger. This system is invented by Louis Barley, who lost his sight as a child. Nowadays, there are other means by which the blind person can enjoy a book. For example, they can use computer to listen to stories and articles that are saved as electronic file. Dear children, that is all for today. Bye. Take care. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.